my little toddlers. Oh, it's so lovely to see you. Let me tell you something. I've missed you this week. I hope you've had a great week. And I have been very busy. I have been staying with a captain on a pirate ship. That's why I've got my hat on. Oh yeah. And I've been really busy because I've had to be cooking dinner, doing the washing, I've had to be mopping the floor, cleaning the windows. Oh, you name it, I've done it. But the captain's gone for a walk with his favourite dog. So that gives us time to have some fun and games. Are you ready? Come on then. Come on then. Let's everybody get up and start jumping about. Jump, 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 jump. Oh, that's so good. And we'll do some running on the spot. Oh, keep going, keep going. I've had to be doing this every day this week. And stop. Oh, very good. Okay, now then. There's one thing that the captain made me do, which I wasn't very happy about, but I did it because I was big and brave. He made me walk the plank, and there was lots of sharks swimming around below me. Oh yeah, but I did it to show him I could. So do you want to have a try? Come on then, I'll show you how to do it. Here we go. Get ready. Here we are. You've got to put your arms out because you have to get the balance. Okay? Are you ready? Walk slowly, very slowly. Keep your balance. Watch where you're going. And lift one leg. Can you do that? Can you do that? Might be a bit wobbly. Should we do that again? Come on then. Let's try it again. Are you ready? So put your arms out because this helps you keep your balance. And do 1 step, and a 2 step, 3 steps, and 4 steps, and lift that foot up. And balance on 1 leg. Wow! You've got it! Should we do it with the other leg now? Okay, here we go then. Are we ready? Remember, put your arms out for balance. Okay, are we ready? 1 step, and a 2 step, and a 3 step, and a 4, and lift that leg up. Oh, wow, that's very good. Well done. You're really good at this. Okay, now, when I was on the ship, I noticed there was something that was flapping from the top of the mast. And it had skull and crossbones on it. Do you know what it was? Can you tell me what it was that you think was flapping in the wind with the skull and crossbones? Can you tell me? What is it? You're right. It was the captain's flag. It was the pirate ship flag. So, we'll pretend to be a flag, shall we? So put your arms up and whoosh, whoosh, we're in the wind. Whoosh, whoosh, flutter, 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 flap, 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 whoosh, whoosh, flutter, 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 flap, 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 whoosh, 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 keep going, whoosh, 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 whoosh. Oh, that was very good. My goodness me, you really are good at doing this. Okay, so another thing that the captain had me doing, let me show you. Yes, he had me swabbing the decks. Do you want to give me a hand? Because this is the last bit I've got to do. Are we ready? Swab the deck, the captain says to do it. Swab the deck, you've got to keep him happy. Swab the deck, you've got to swab the deck in. keep it going, and Captain will be smiling. Oh, that was really good. That was really good. Whew, I think we're done now, don't you? That means if the captain comes back, I won't get shouted at. Okay, right. Now we can have some fun and games, okay? We're going to do a little rhyme, and it's called 1, 2, 3, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let him go again. Why did you let him go? Because he bit my finger so. Which finger did he bite? This little finger on my right. Very good. Shall we do that again? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let him go again. Why did you let him go? Because he bit my finger so. Which finger did he bite? This little finger on my right. Oh, very good. Well done, well done. Okay, I want you to pretend now that you like a little ball. Can you do the shape of a ball? Are you ready? Okay. Okay, because we're going to do I'm a little teapot. Are you ready? I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here's my handle, here's my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me up and pour me out. Very good. Shall we do that again? Shall we try that again? Are you ready? I sing this to the captain all the time because he likes tea. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? Let's go. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here's my handle, here's my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me up and pour me out. Tip me up and pour me out. Oh, that was very good. Well done. Keep going. Keep going. Okay. Right. Okay. We're going to do 3 little pirates jumping on a bed. Are you ready? Okay. Here we go. 3 little pirates jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Captain phoned the doctor and the doctor said, no more pirates jumping on the bed. Ready? How many have we got left? Got 2, haven't we? 2 little pirates jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Captain phoned the doctor and the captain said, no more pirates jumping in the bed. Oh, here we go. How many have we got left? Got 1. Okay. 1 little pirate jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. The captain phoned the doctor and the doctor said, put your pirate straight to bed. Put your pirate straight to bed. Oh, that was a good one, wasn't it? Brilliant. Okay, here we go. And we'll do 1 more before our story, okay? And that'll be quick because I think the captain's coming back because he's going to read the story today. Okay, here we go then. We will do, I think, let me think, what shall we do now? I'll have to be quick, What about Incy Wincy Spider? Are we ready? Okay, here we go. Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. Very good, very good. Okay, right. And now the captain's going to be here. So he'll be reading the story in a minute. See you soon.
As you know, I'm a pirate. Sometimes though I have a problem trying to get to the library to get books that I like. So I couldn't even find Smee today. Smee's disappeared somewhere. So I've had to go on this internet thingy to try and find a book. And I happened to find this one. And it tells you how to be a pirate. And it's written by Sue Fleisch and illustrated by Nikki Dyson. Now listen carefully, and I hope you enjoy. Ahoy, landlubbers, come with me, board me ship upon the sea. Not a pirate? Don't know how? Ye can learn to be one now. Come in closer, I don't bite. A pirate ye shall be tonight. First I'll take ye round the ship. Deck is wet, so don't ye slip. That's a very naughty parrot there. That's the mast, there's the aft. If she sinks, right here's the raft. Skulls and crossbones mark our flags. Never mess with scallywags. No more manners, no more fuss. When you're here, you act like us. Oh, I like being a pirate. Shuffle, swagger, that's our walk. Learn the lingo and talk the talk. Gangway, blimey, yo ho ho. Those are words you'll need to know. Wear an eye patch, hold a hook. Ye can choose your pirate look. Pick a parrot for your arm, every pirate's lucky charm. Rules for pirates, let's just say, ye can throw all rules away. No more toothpaste, farewell bath. Once ye choose the pirate path. Uh-oh, I smell trouble closing in. Gives me shivers on me skin. Check the spyglass, enemy ship. Aim the cannons, let 'em rip. The chase has started, never fear. The ship's fast and land is near. Watch out, mateys, duck below. Pirates heave and pirates ho! We've outrun them, missed their trap. Make for sure and check the map. Dock the vessel, not the rig. Grab your shovel, it's time to dig. Find your treasure, don't be late. Soon you'll hold your pieces of 8. Sing a shanty, whistle dance, do a jig in pirate pants. The test is over, buccaneer. You're a pirate now, let's all cheer. Woo! Hey! I'm a pirate, heave ho!
quickly without the captain seeing me. That's great. Now then, did you enjoy that story? I thought it was brilliant.
Yo ho ho! Heave ho!
That's what you learnt today, wasn't it? Oh yeah. Good old captain. Right, okay. Now, I just realised that we haven't done one that's really rhyme, that's really special, considering that we're on a ship with the captain. So I think we need to do row, row, row your boat. Are you ready? Okay, are you ready? Hold hands. Gonna hold hands with me? Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. And if you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! Did you like that? Should we do it again? Are you ready? Okay. Who's going to hold my hand today? Come on. Are you ready? Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. And row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. And if you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! Very good. That was brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Okay, now then, I think, what do we normally do? The okie dokie. Okay, are we ready for the okie dokie? Come on then, let's get ready. Here we go. Are you ready? So, I'm going to start off with the right leg. Okay, you put your right leg in, your right leg out, in, out, and shake it all about. You do the okie dokie and you turn around. And that's what it's all about. Are you ready? Oh, the okie dokie. Oh, the okie dokie. Oh, the okie dokie. Knees bent, arms stretched, rah, rah, rah. You put your left leg in, your left leg out, in, out, and shake it all about. You do the okie dokie and you turn around, and that's what it's all about. All together. Oh, the okie dokie. Oh, the okie dokie. Oh, the okie dokie. Knees bent, arms stretched, rah, rah, rah. You put your whole self in, your whole self out. In, out, and shake it all about. You do the okie dokie and you turn around, and that's what it's all about. All together now. Oh, the okie dokie. Oh, the okie dokie. Oh, the okie dokie. Knees bent, arms stretched, rah, rah, rah. Woohoo! We did it! Yeah, we did it. Well done. Oh, okay. And one more before we go. You wasn't ready for this, was you? We'll do head, shoulders, knees and toes. Are you ready? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and mouth and ears and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Ooh, now then, let's see who can do it quicker than Auntie Ali. Are we ready? Are you ready? Get ready. I'm all excited. Here we go, here we go. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Well done. Well done, everyone. Okay. And last thing now is to sing our poor little dragon to sleep. Now, dragon, I hope you had a lovely time, by the way, over Easter, and you got lots and lots of eggs from the Easter Bunny. I got quite a few eggs from the Easter Bunny. The only problem is, between the captain and the dragon, I haven't had one yet, because they ate them all. So, and the dragon is now complaining that he's got tummy ache. So I'm going to have to get him something for his tummy to make him feel better. So, here we go. I need you to help me, and I need to hear your voices, because I need to hear you singing the dragon to sleep. Okay, are we ready? Ready? Go to sleep, Mr. Dragon, sleep. I want to go out for my lunch, Mr. Dragon, sleep.
Oh, my tummy! Oh, my tummy!
Ooh, that doesn't sound very good to see. So, what I'll do is I'll get you to sing again, and then I might have to get him some nice tea to drink, because tea's always good for your tummy. Okay, are you ready? Here we go then. I want to hear you all singing. Are you ready? Go to sleep, Mr. Dragon, sleep. I want to go out for my lunch, Mr. Dragon, sleep.
Oh, my tummy!
Do you think he's gone off to sleep? Do you think I can go and make him a cup of tea now? Okay. Now then, don't forget, there's a video for doing our craft today, and I hope you have lots of fun doing it, and I'd like to see some pictures or some films of you actually doing the games, okay? Talk to you soon, my darlings. Take care. Love you all. Bye now.